Hey, what's up, Brandon? Hey, no? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Hey, hello, hello, hello. Test, 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 test. Can you guys hear me? I mean, I'm seeing my mic, but not sure if you guys hear me or not. Hello, not much. What do you mean, not much? Like slow? Like the cake? Oh, okay, got it, got it. Cool, cool, cool. Nice to make sure. It's over here a little bit. Okay. All right, so today, I mean, it's just nothing special. I have some time, uh, so I might as well just go on stream and work a little bit on NX. We have another Norwegians here. Brandon, welcome, welcome everyone to the stream. Just a fun stream. I mean, casual, nothing, nothing on the agenda. So let's see if we can get some work done. All right, so that's news. I'm just gonna go back here. All right, so I'm just gonna clone bear that. So the other day I messed up my work tree, get work tree. So I'm redoing my work tree. So on in my work tree, I'm gonna pull um get work tree. Okay, get work tree add. Actually, that's it's not midnight yet. It's not midnight yet. We just we actually just took a stroll, not a stroll, like a slow car ride around the neighborhood and looking at some Christmas tree, trying to burn that energy off of the kid. So he's sleeping now, so I have some free time. Let's you know what? Let's have some alias for work tree. So we have that right. Get work tree. Let's do that. Now we have get work tree. Add. I want to add a master. Right, and then I'm gonna create a new branch. I'm gonna call this branch um, just no executor. Okay, I'm gonna good strategy. Yeah, yeah, strategy for sure. I'm gonna put yarn. And yes, to to anyone watching, if you're interested in uh, contributing to NX, this is exactly how you would do it. I mean, we all do the same thing. This is an open source project, so we kind of all do the same thing. We just make some change, make a pull request, and that's how it goes. Why we? Oh, it's done. No, I don't have to show this. I'm gonna bump the font size. I mean, man, I wish Um, I wish webs. I wish WebStorm had like a profiles feature so that I can have like streaming profile and then like day to day daily basis profile and stuff like that. So I don't have to keep changing my font size whenever I go on stream. Hey, what's up, Bram? What's up, Beeman? Yes, I mean, I'm kind of forced to. I'm kind of forced to, you know. I'm forced. Since the repo has a yawn lock, this we restart, yep. Right, so I'm just gonna put on the font size. Up the fonts. Maybe 20. Right. And maybe the font of um, the overall thing as well. Yeah, that should be good. There we go. Yeah, increase this a little bit. All right. So the goal. So the goal um for this branch or for this feature is, I mean, if you are familiar or if you are aware of our NX14 roadmap, you probably know about the Narwhal.js plugin. So this one is right here. So before we have a Narwhal node right here, right? Narwhal Express, and then we have Narwhal Nest. There's also Web, React, Next. So basically anything that is JavaScript, TypeScript related is kind of so anything JavaScript or TypeScript on the back end is being managed by the Node plugin. But then coupling the Node, coupling like that kind of operations with the word Node, if you think about it, it doesn't really make sense because there's more TypeScript and JavaScript thing than just Node. So we thought to make a JavaScript or JS plugin so that we can retire the Node plugin, right, and then point the other stuff that kind of depends on JavaScript, TypeScript operations back to the JavaScript, back to this JS. This allows us to support basically anything that TypeScript, JavaScript related, and like encapsulate that logic in here. So now let's assume that we have we're gonna support SWC, like a bundler, right? A TypeScript bundle, a compiler. So we can just put it in here and make that like an executor. So you can use SWC and basically let the node or the web, if they want to use SWC to compile their code, then just use from JavaScript. So then we don't have like duplicate logic. So that's the goal. So today is what we want to do. We want to bring the executor from Node to JavaScript. That's the main goal. And exact is the execute one. So we can serve. So we can run serve is the execute one, right? So that's the goal of this streaming. I don't know if we're gonna get it done. Yeah, that's the goal. All right, let me fix this so I can see chat. All right, there's chat right there. There we go. So now let's look at this one. So that's execute. I'm kind of curious what is using no execute. No application is using node execute. Yep. So let's try that. We can go to sandbox and let's go to sandbox and create NX workspace. Task no execute. I'm gonna grab Express and call it API. No. Oh. No interpreter. Go. Right. I want to check out what new with HJAM. Change notes, improve tag, stop tab shift tab, fix tag cycling with enter shift enter. That's nice. All right, so test. No, execute. So now if I open this with lead. Right, so if I look into um, apps API project, there's no build and then there's no execute. Sounds like I need to bring no build over as well. And so instead of no, I need to bring over no build. Interesting. Okay. So I need to bring over no build and no execute because we already have no package. So if you let me look here. So there's no package, and no package actually being brought over as well already as TSC. Then we also have SWC forward. So now we're going to create a new executor, and we call it node. And under the hood, we're going to have a normal JS node, but then one of the options would be would be having like a compiler option, and we can pick between TSC or SWC. So that's the goal, right? So let's create that. We have wait, I do what? Where's my NX plugin? I remember adding an NX plugin. What? I did not add it. Huh. Interesting. That's fine. Okay, so we're gonna add. Oh, not this one. Oh, it's gonna go back to novel. We're gonna go to NX worktree. Go to change slow executor. Go on add DE novel. Seriously. Oh, we don't have a default. So I'm installing NX plugin. NX plugin is a plugin to help you build generator and executor and migrator faster. So I'm adding that. Now back here, I should have I can put executor here if this pickup NX plugin. We have it. NX plugin. Come on. Okay. Npack NXG plugin. Oh, I need that. I need to accept options and contact for to happy. Um, Options. No executor schema. This is context, the executor. Step kit. Oh. Alright, so that's the thing. Set up this one. This that. Nope, it's good. Now let's go to the current node. It's basically just copy and paste. At this point, we just want to copy and paste over so we can kind of like retire this whole plugin. So let's look at the schema for this guy, and I'm just gonna copy that. I'm gonna bring over here, go to no executor, and oh, sorry, not this one. Schema to JSON and bring that in, right? Excuse me. Right, so that looks good. Now back here, look at, oops, yeah, build, look at the build node, build option, build option. Okay, so just gonna copy that and copy that. Just gonna copy these two guys over. There's also a normalized one, so I'm just gonna copy these over to the schema right here, right? And I'm just gonna rename. Yeah. Did all of that. Gonna rename this to that. Move this. Oh, move that. Source map option. Source map option. Yeah. There we go. Optimization options. All right, Alt T. Grab this. Go back here. Do that. File replacement. Okay. Yes, plugin entry. Alright, I think I can miss this this whole thing. And this as well. Additional entry point. What is this? Like what? Optimization. Okay, I think now we don't really need that. Just Boolean. Yeah, just Boolean. Gonna need the reformat. Yep. Optimized import. like that, and we save it. Normalize build no builder. So this one is no executor schema. And this one is normalize no executor schema. That looks good to me. Now back to no.implement. Yes, and that's good. Now I need the basically just want to copy this whole thing over and just put that in the comment. All right, source root. Oops, not source root right there. Okay. Need that. Need normalize build option. So we have normalize build option. Grab this. Go down. To normalize that, I think it's gonna put it here then. Um, project graph. Huh. Oh, I need this option. Project graph. We don't do we oh let's go to adapt here. So project graph. Okay, there's one right here. Generate package JSON. We kind of need that, and we're not returning project graph. So I think it should be able to return the project graph, right? So this one is project graph any project graph, project graph, right? And yeah, go ahead. There we go. Save. Right, so ooh, so I'm pretty sure it is very much the same dependencies. Yeah, yep. We can reuse it. We can reuse this one, right? So instead of this whole code, we can do uh wait, instead of that whole thing. Okay, so I kind of want project correct. If build it from source. False. I think it's false by default. If build it from source is false. Shoot, not cool. Right, so this way I can what can do is I can do this right here. So I say I have on project graph read cached project graph, right? Then I can do if options dot build from source, and I can add to all of this in here, which gonna give me so let's see, check dependencies, right? Check dependencies, check dependency that fix the import. Oh, this one. Save that. I think it's command all. Oh, I think it's this guy. Optimize is control option. Control option O. This one needs the context option raw options tsconfig, and we pass in the project graph right there for them, right? I think that's pretty much it. So now this one we return should continue. Yep. So we have if yep, that's what we have. Just return it. All right, now outside of this, we're gonna say that we're gonna do this now, and just return, remove this piece, that generate package.json. So back to build, no, this one, generate package.json. Do we have that? There's an update package.json, but not generate. Generate package.json, I think I need to bring this over to this, generate package.json, that, don't need that, create package.json, probably need that. Yeah. So this one is actually build node builder option. It's just no executor schema. Yeah. Let's pretty much it. Now back here, import that. All right, next we have config. Yep, this is the this is the juicy part where we bring over the webpack. Where we bring over the webpack, guys, it's the juicy part right there. All right, so get no webpack config. I think we're gonna bring everything in here over, and I'm gonna make that a utils at the plugin level and call it webpack. And this one is no hold on, let me read something real quick here. Oh, go back to pull request, and there is one about webpack support for TypeScript webpack plugins. What's that? Oh, that's new. There we go. This part adds the support for normal webpack executor. Also adds. Okay, I think I need to go to Asana. This one. Run build target plus execute for watch mode. Create JavaScript node executor for serve. Interesting. So I guess we need to bring over this webpack then. Do we? Jeez. I kind of don't want to. There's a get base webpack. Not sure. Anyway, let's just bring that over. There we and also there's all of this which we can comment out for now. There's a get base webpack partial, which let's grab that and we can think about it later. We need that as well. Low TS plugins, which, yeah, okay. Whoa. That. Grab that. Go back here. We kind of need like a base. What? Base dot config dot ts. Let's put this back again. This here. Oh, we don't have that. Right, I gotta stop the stream here. See you guys.